Good morning, it's me again. Now today's little project is, I've got a coil plug gone on the side of the Fergie. As you know, I'm changing the clutch about. One thing, I've got a good friend of mine who's come along, Brian. You've seen him in previous videos, and he's doing all the main work, and I'm just doing little bits and pieces. Now the coil plug, the one that's gone, I don't know if you can see it, I drilled it out and pulled it out, but there's a little pinhole in there and it was leaking out, and it's always the one behind the starter motor. So I've took the starter motor off, we're putting a new wire and harness on it. I say me, it's Brian. Anyway, and I've got the new coil plug, which should fit nicely in there, and I bought some ATV. So let's crack on, shall we? You know, I must have about 8 knives in here. Do you think I can find one of them? There you are, there's one. Now then, I don't know what everyone else does, but I like to put a little bit of RTV on it, just to give it a good seal when I put it in. And of course, I've got the end cut. Good splodge of the old RTV. That's it. Hopefully that's gone on there. There. Now the idea is to whack it in the centre and it expands. Another good whacking on it. And I think that'll do it. Little clean up. And it's sealed in there. Now, I know this is a simple little 5-minute job, but it's a pain in the rear, because you've got to take the starter motor off, take the old one off, which I lost to get, there it is. What I do, I just drill them out through the centre, screwdriver in there, pop them out. As I say, you'll see the little tiny hole. All done now. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers for now. And there you can see, starter motor's back on, coil plugs over the back there, jobs are good and everything's coming along nicely. Okay.